Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report that's a bit like musical chairs in the executive suite, but with a twist. We're looking at USA Compression Partners and a change-up in their leadership team. It seems someone is moving up the ladder, but will this shake things up or just keep the beat going? Let's find out. So the big news dropped on March 5, 2025. This is when USA Compression Partners, a company that's all about squeezing natural gas, announced a new Chief Operating Officer, or COO. Think of the COO as the person who really makes sure the gears are turning smoothly day to day. The board of directors, which is like the team of decision makers, decided to appoint Christopher Wasson to this important role. This appointment is set to be effective on April 5, 2025. Wasson isn't a new face at the company. He's been with USA Compression since they acquired CDM Resource Management back in 2018. Before becoming the new COO, he was the vice president of regional operations. Basically, he was already handling a significant chunk of the operations. Prior to his time at USA Compression, Mr. Wasson held roles of increasing responsibility at CDM. Before that, he had various positions in the energy and natural gas compression industries, a job he held since 1999. So, it's safe to say he knows the industry inside and out. Now, let's talk about the money. With his new role, Wasson's annual base salary will be $375,000. But that's not all. He's also eligible for bonuses and equity-based compensation, which could significantly increase his total earnings. He'll participate in the company's bonus plan, and he will also participate in the company's long-term equity incentive plan, with an initial target value of 250% of his annual base salary. Mr. Wasson is also eligible to receive other benefits generally available to all employees. So, that's about $937,500 in stock grants on top of his base salary. The report also mentions that there aren't any special agreements or understandings between Wasson and anyone else that influenced his appointment. Everything seems pretty straightforward. Also, there are no family relationships between Mr. Wasson and any of the company's directors or executive officers, and Mr. Wasson has no reportable transactions, which means he doesn't have any conflicts of interest that need to be disclosed. USA Compression also put out a press release on March 6, 2025 to let everyone know about the new COO. It's all part of keeping investors and the public informed. The report concludes with the company's signature, officially marking the information as accurate and verified. So, what does all this mean for USA Compression Partners? The appointment of Christopher Wasson to COO seems like a strategic move. Given his history with the company and his experience in the industry, he's likely well prepared to take on this role. This could signal a period of stability and continued growth for the company. Wasson's already familiar with the way the company runs, so we can probably expect things to continue on as they were. What could be a weakness, though? The report doesn't contain much on the company's current financials. Without that, it's hard to assess the company's overall trajectory. Are they profitable or are they struggling? From this report alone, it's difficult to tell. Overall, this leadership change seems positive. The company is putting someone with a long track record in charge of operations, and it's hard to see that as a bad thing. I'd say keep an eye on USA Compression Partners. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings.